Hey, morning. This is Rick from Meduza in Leicester. It's been a while since we've done a YouTube video. Been extremely busy over this past year, especially with COVID and Brexit and many things going on. But this is one of the first cars I wanted to show you that we've done, done with video in quite a while. This was a I'll start again. Mercedes C63 AMG 507, the coupe version. Yes, it's a proper AMG car. The 6.3 these are. And what we've done here to this vehicle is put the Black Series aftermarket body kit on it. It's took us around about 4 months to do. We've completely blown over the car to get it to look this way. So I'll start you off. We've got a complete vented bonnet. The original grille stays there. It's got the black bonnet badge in the bonnet. It's got the Black Series, obviously, front bumper, which is wider. It's different. It's got the carbon fibre front splitter, the carbon fibre canards, plastic mesh, aftermarket Osram DRLs that we put in as well for this vehicle, which look pretty cool with the shape. All the original parking sensors have gone back into the vehicle as well. And as you can see, it's a wider vehicle, so you've got a wider front wheel arch. Sorry, these are actually front wings on this vehicle. Side skirts, which are wider, with a carbon fibre lower panel that goes inside the skirt itself. Sorry, you'll see a bit of water come over. We've only just watched it. Excuse the noise in the background. And the big thing that tells these cars from the originals is this panel here. Most of them come out the aftermarket factory quite thick, but we thinned these right down and we rebuilt these side skirts to make it look correct on the vehicle. A rear wheel arch as well, wider rear bumper, carbon fibre rear diffuser, AMG Black Series tailpipes adapted for this vehicle. And then the GT carbon rear racing spoiler. I think this is a must on this vehicle if you do this conversion. A lot of people hesitate to have this done, but I think it finishes off to make it look like the OEM vehicle. We've also put, well, custom actually supplied genuine staggered 19-inch Black Series wheels. These are genuine wheels with Pirelli tyres on. Custom supplied from Mercedes. Interior wise, it's got the carbon fibre steering wheel, carbon fibre gator, but it's pretty much stock, as you can see. Being the 507, it's got the panoramic glass roof. But yeah, it's a pretty tidy car. And the customer is actually on the way this morning to collect this vehicle after leaving it with us for 4 months. So as you can see, if you've got a vehicle similar or a similar job that wants doing with a wide kit on, it can range from anything. We do a lot of Land Rover, Mercedes, obviously BMW, Bentley we do quite a few of as well. But as you can see, this is the work we do. Please follow us on social media for our latest updates, as we will be back on that now again as the year's moved on. I look forward to seeing you soon. Thanks.